While we constantly hear about amazing AI tools for computers and browsers, and rarely hear about cool apps powered by AI. So in this video, I will show you 13 free AI-enabled mobile apps. So first, let's get into the app interface. So we can see here in the mobile app that there is a bottom on the bottom right side there we have a voice conversation tool. So you have this feature in ChatGPT. Also, you can enable voice conversion tool from above. Over here, you get an icon. Also, there is a interface over here of recent chats, which is linked to your account. And basically, yeah, and ChatGPT Plus features. I have not subscribed, so I don't know. But it's the best tool, and everybody know why it is. So let's move to the next tool. Instead of Google, I use mainly Perplexity for my searches. So in Perplexity has two plans, free and paid, like ChatGPT. But I think you don't need a paid plan because free plan is really amazing. The paid plan has an advantage of large language models. You can get ChatGPT 4, Claude, Opus, and all other models in a paid version and other cool features. So let me introduce you to this Perplexity. So let me ask this question. We can see here get amazing options like image input and a simple pro feature which is limited access only. Only we have limited limited 4 to 5 trials. We also have a voice conversation here. It is just Google, and also we have Discover feature which I like the most. And the library is what you have collected over here. Real cool app. I think you should use in this instead of Google search because this gives citations to documents that because it gives citations to the search you made. So give me the latest AI news. Latest AI news. So as I over searched it, and it is pretty fast also. So you on the top this corner you can see the citations from which it took. It is a nice tool and other related questions also. In character AI, you can talk to any character. It might be real or fiction. You can have conversation with anyone and also create your own character. It is basically for fun. So let me introduce. You see here you have a create option. You can create a character for yourself, name anything or it like that, or create a persona for yourself. Here you can see a lot of people have created different characters. One of the famous is Elon Musk over here. As I search Elon, here it would be on the top. Elon Musk. If you can see, I am a Elon Musk over here. You can talk with of Elon Musk. I was born in July 1997. I am pretty old. But why have you given this image? That is correct. That is pretty correct. I think he likes that. So let's move to the next tool. So the next tool is AI Writer. So as you can see in this interface, it is a very clean and simple interface that everyone likes. I think I have to like. And if you have an image input, you can see here, but it for a pro version, you can if you want. And I basically use this tool to write, summarize, yeah, give me some random idea, code, or and this have a inbuilt prompt templates. So what would you like to prompt? So I would like to suggest template suggest. See, write up a poem. Let's see, write a poem. But yeah, what is type of input we have? One friendly input. Yeah, right. Friendly generate. It is very simple and easy to use, and it has lot of templates inbuilt and a lot of customizations. Inbuilt, we have that rewrite a content if you want to. I basically use it to write some essay or summarize or write an email. So our next tool is Microsoft Swift Key. So it adds a custom keyboard to your mobile, which is from Microsoft. You can create image from DALI directly from your keyboard. one beneficial it have. So let enable it. Enable Swift key. You have to click over here. Microsoft Swift key. You have to enable over here. Select Swift key. Try on your keyboard. So let's just try on our keyboard. So you can see you have a lot of features over here. And one is a Microsoft Copilot, and others are just stickers, layout, resize, templates, autocorrect, emojis, lot of. Let's try Microsoft Copilot over here. Got it. Agree. Only this time. So you can directly use Microsoft Keyboard in your app, in your keyboard directly, Microsoft Copilot. Or any prompt you want to type, or it will directly sign in into ChatGPT 4. So let me use in a WhatsApp. So direct Copilot, ask me anything. So give me an image of restaurant. Continue. You have to just sign into your Microsoft account to access the image. So guys, I have signed in. You see you can use ChatGPT 4 over here and give me an image. So we can see here we got a nice out images from DALI directly in your keypad. So you can use direct ChatGPT 4 in your keyboard anywhere on your mobile phone. So guys, our next tool is Dolby On. So it will help you remove background voice from your audio, similar to Adobe Speech Enhance tool, but in a mobile phone. So let me just introduce to you this. I will just open my window, and there is a wind voice. I will just record something. So you can see here that I'm using Dolby On now and trying to use AI remover. So just start. So you can click over here in the top, and now you can use this. So you can see here that I'm using Dolby On now and trying to use AI remover. This is the original. So you can see here that now this is Dolby On. I'm using Dolby On now and trying to use AI remover. And in this section, when you use noise, you want to reduce or increase the noise. So just start. Or how should be a tone, and also boost the volume, or the style you want to use, natural, standard, amplified, deep, lyrics. It's a nice tool if you want to record something. Also, you have a feature of video recording. You can directly use video recording from over here and directly use this app, and also podcast recording. So directly stream to Twitch and more with incredible sound. So guys, our next tool is Otter AI. So it's basically a best tool if you want to summarize your meeting, or uh, put your meeting into, just translate it and transcribe it directly by using your mobile. So when you're in a meeting, you can just keep the phone here and just let it record. It analyzes the two conversations, or two or three to four conversation between your in basic version you have 300 minutes total, and it is resetted every 12 days. So it is awesome tool. You must check out this tool. Tool is Dream AI art generator. So we can see here it has a lot of features and inbuilt templates, like you want like this style, tattoo style, stray style, logo, HD, cartoonist, and it gives a inbuilt prompts also, just like it is give this prompt in logo and just create. Let's see what will be the output. So there is an option you can add a title or not, but as you can see here, you need to sign up. So you got a nice output over here, pretty good. And you, if for premium, you will get 4 output for one prompt. And here is the option you can regenerate, create variations, and lot more. And you can download over here. So try this over. It's a nice tool which is for free. So our next tool is Starry AI. So this is also basically a AI art generator tool, but have lot of features like remove background, magic fusion, and whatnot. Just you can just keep this. It will just tell you, but we need a free over here, the top left. Just click the exit button. And over here you have free version like remove background, magic fusion, enhance, magic canvas, lot of feature. Enough for you. I will choose the same prompt. Over here I will just type the prompt and then you can use the style over here. I will choose the pixel art style and create. There are advanced options like you also have feature of prompt builder over here. You can just choose the styles and characters like and this tool, all that. So this really have lot of style features which you would like to create AI images. So our next tool is a video leap. So this tool is the same from the same company who created Photo Leap, but for videos. As you can see here, there are a lot of features you can use over here, like AI features, AI zoom, infinite zoom feature, AI voice swag, a lot of AI anime, AI scene, lot of AI features you want to for videos. Most of videographers would love to use this feature. You must try this free tool. So other tools from the same company, Videoleap, that created Photo Leap and Videoleap. Now this is a Motion Leap. This tool helps you to create animation. Lot of features there are. This is an awesome tool if you want to create motions to your images. Like over here, you can see an example they have given to us. Really cool tool. They have features similar to Runway ML and Pixabay, which are paid, and you can use them for free. So our next tool is Gradient Music, which helps you to create AI generated music over here. So you can choose your which music type, like pop. Let's play, and you click an X over here, and just choose a random type of music over here. This is all music generated with AI. So you can use this for your background musics and a lot of AI music songs you can use for them. These are non-copyrighted, so you don't have to pay for them.